Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. This is the second part of my Freebie stories or series. If hindi nyo pa napapanood yung last video ko or yung first part, I really recommend na panoorin nyo muna yon. Ito yung video na yon para mas enjoy ang panonood ng ating Freebie series. And for this vlog, ang topic natin is I'll be sharing my tips on how to win giveaways. Para naman matry nyo din and hopefully manalo tayong lahat. And gaya ng last vlog, I invited a very special guest. Hindi nyo ba siya nakita sa aking vlog? Very, very famous. Let's welcome Michael Jordan. Hi Michael Jordan, come here! Oh! Nagganon siya. Come here! Yay! Nahirapan pa akong tawagan siya. Hi! How are you? Is that your bowl? Can you show them your outfit? Wow! Oh, clap your hands. Wow! Very good! Okay guys, so ito lang muna siya ang ating special guest. And very quickly share ko lang sa inyo. If follower ko kayo sa Instagram or sa Facebook or friends tayo, mapapansin nyo na sali ako ng giveaway. And may napapanalunan naman ako, di ba? So, ang reason kung bakit is, frustration ko kasi yun nung bata ako. Sa family day sa school, hindi ako talaga nanalo sa raffle. E pag bata ka, nakakalungkot yun, wala kang naiuuwi. And then, pag move ko dito sa Australia, parang gusto kong magkaroon ng Australian friends. Eh, hindi naman ako masyadong nakakalabas kasi first time mom, very busy with cloud. So, inactivate ko yung Instagram ko and nag-follow ako ng mga Australian pages and ang dami ko rin natutunan sa kanila kung anong lifestyle nila, etc. And then, na-discover ko din yung mga businesses dito sa Australia, mga small and big businesses. And nag-enjoy naman ako talaga sa mga nakikita ko. And syempre, nag-join ako ng giveaways. And then, naging libangan ko na rin siya. And at the same time, as a prize din, nananalo ko. So yun, kinukontinue ko lang. And gusto ko kasi i-share sa inyo kasi nag-enjoy talaga ako. And hopefully, matry nyo din. And sama-sama tayo manalo sa mga giveaways. Naku, si Michael Jordan. Okay. I think, nagugutom na si Michael Jordan. Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat? No? You don't want to eat? Do you want that one? Do you want this one? Yan na yung kanyang little belly snack. So, I think tinatawag na siya ng coach. So, doon na muna siya. Naglalaro na muna siya. Anong nangyari? Anong nangyari? You go with Papa. Say bye-bye first. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Exit muna siya. Play muna siya and we'll call him again later, okay? Okay guys, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's start with the tips. Tip number 1. Read and follow instructions carefully. Very basic pero very important. Kasi, for example, ang usual na instructions sa Instagram is like the post, follow the sponsor, comment, either an answer, or they are asking you to tag friends. Sometimes, may specific number of friends kayong dapat itatag. So, for example, may isang nag-join, hindi niya finalo yung instructions, then definitely, hindi na siya pasok sa mga possible winners. So, very basic, but you really need to keep in mind to follow instructions. And for small businesses, usually ganun yung mga instruction. But for big brands, meron silang mga terms and conditions. And it goes through a website or Facebook page nila, Facebook notes, something like that. And ako, binabasa ko talaga yun. Kasi I have an experience one time, I joined a giveaway from a big nappy brand. And then sa terms and condition, ang sabi doon, they will announce the winners on their website and the winners are instructed to send an email through this specific email. So yung pala, kailangan as a winner, aabangan mo pa dun sa website kung nanalo ka, and then pag nanalo ka, mag-email ka pa. So kung hindi ko binasa yon, di ba? Yung terms and condition on their website, kung hindi ko alam yung nanalo na pala ako, may chance na hindi ka makukuha yung prize. So make sure to read instructions or terms and conditions. And gusto ko lang i-share, baka hindi pa kayo masyadong familiar. Ang giveaways or competition, 2 types. Isang game of chance and game of skill. Ang game of chance, ito yung usually may nakalagay, winner will be randomly selected. So, basically, it's luck prayers or depende kung gaano kadaming entries ang sinenyo. Doon lang talaga magbe-base ang pagkapanalo nyo. But the game of skill, this is usually magbe-base ang winner based from your response. For example, there's a question you have to answer. You have to post something. They will check your photos. So on and so forth. So yung game of skill, medyo paghahandaan yun. And in my experience, actually, mas marami akong napapanalunan talaga if ang giveaway is a game of skill. Tip number 2 for game of skill. My tip is, don't be too excited if you encounter a game of skill kind of giveaway. Kasi parang ano lang yan eh, yung sinasabi nilang, don't talk when you're angry, don't talk when you're so excited. Kasi possibility is yung masabi nyo is, hindi naman talaga pala yun yung dapat nyo masabi. Or, for example, nadala kayo ng bugso ng damdamin. Nagsagot kayo kaagad, and then after a few days pagbasa nyo, yung pangit pala ng sagot ko. So my tip is, if you encounter a game of skill, don't answer immediately. Take time to compose your answer. Take time to take nice quality photos. And if kailangan ng mga answer, make sure na you know the product or you know the sponsor very well para yung answer nyo very in line sa question. And based sa experience ko, nakikita ko yung mga winners, they have very witty answer. Yung parang funny pero full of sense answer. And when they're asking you to post some photos, make sure it's high quality. And when you upload it, you also have a very nice caption related to the brand or to the sponsor, and of course to the photo. Tip number 3, always do the bonus entries. May kita nyo din to dun sa instructions or sa terms and conditions. Usually, pag Instagram, you have to share in your story the giveaway post or you have to repost something. So, just make sure you do that kasi pag sinabi ng bonus entries, automatic madadagdagan ng inyong entries. Tip number 4, join a lot of giveaways. And ako personally, I'd like to support really the small businesses or yung starting businesses. Kasi, pag binibuild pa lang nila yung page nila, they want followers, they want engagement. So, if they are just starting, usually, konti pa lang yung sumasali. So, find giveaways with low entry counts para mas mataas yung chance ng winnings nyo. Also, why join more giveaways? Kasi, para tumaas din yung chance nyo of winning. For example, in a week, ang sinalihan nyo isa lang. So, if hindi kayo swertein doon, so wala na kayong winning. Eh, what if in a week mag-join ka ng mga 5, diba? So, at least meron kang 5 chances in 5 different sponsors na manalo ka. So, join a lot of giveaways. Tip number 5, have giveaway friends that you can tag. What do I mean? Si Jordan si Michael Jordan, ang kulit sa background So, what do I mean by have giveaway friends? Ito yung mga friends na pag tinag mo, hindi sila mainis sa'yo. Or ito yung mga friends na okay lang sa kanila kung makareceive sila ng notifications just because you tag them on giveaway. And on my end, meron talaga akong mga best friends na actually na-convert ko na sila. Kasi dati ako lang yung nag-join ng giveaway. Tapos, tag ako ng tag. So, parang gumaya na rin sila. And, my best friends, nanalo na din sila. So, ito nga, for example, si Jermaine, same kaming winning dito. And for Eileen, same kaming nanalo dito. Tapos, meron pa silang mga separate winnings from big brands to small brands. So, may mga na-convert akong friends. Kasi, di ba, para pag mag-tag ka, gusto mo marami kang entries. At least, kapag tinag mo yung iyong giveaway friends, hindi ka mag-aalala na baka mainis sila sa'yo. Kasi baka naman dumami yung notifications nila dahil sa pagtatag. So, again, make sure you have giveaway friends. Just to add, merong mga giveaway, they're asking you to tag a friend, and that tag friend should also follow them back. So, di ba mahirap yun kapag, for example, nag-tag ka lang ng random friend, kung hindi naman niya i-tag back, hindi ma-count yung entry mo. So, that's also one reason kung bakit you should have giveaway friends. And, one tip, pag may mga ganun giveaway, minsan ang ginagawa ko, I go to the sponsors page or yung nagpapag-giveaway, and then I click the mutual friends. So, may kita ko doon, pag meron ako doon mutual friends na fina-follow na nila yung sponsor ng giveaway, sila na yung tinatag ko para hindi na ako nag-worry na itatag back ba nila or hindi. Kasi minsan kahit yung giveaway friends ko, very busy, hindi nila natatag back yung mga giveaway na kailangan nakatag, na naka-follow din sila eh. Okay, that's my 5 best tips, but I still have one bonus tip, and probably you won't see this in other giveaway tips video. So my last tip, so I really hope that you will really follow, is share your blessings. It's a very common rule of life, because ako naniniwala ko na if you share your blessings, kusa ka rin mababless kung ano man yung talagang blessed para sa'yo. Hi! He's back! Say hi! Say hi! Nakakita naman itong si Michael Jordan. Yan guys, so hopefully you picked up something, and sana manalo din kayo sa future giveaways. And last reminder, if hindi kayo manalo, don't be discouraged and just move on. And then syempre, nagbigay ako ng tips. I also would like to have my own giveaway para may apply nyo naman kung ano yung mga shinare ko. Please check nyo yung instructions sa description box ng YouTube video on how you can join. And ang prizes for a giveaway is a family stay-at-home pack. So, ito yung prizes. Meron for parents and meron for your kids. Hope you enjoy! Please like our video and subscribe to our channel to be updated sa next freebie episode. And ang next episode, I'll be talking about how to get freebies here in Australia. Again, please subscribe to our channel to be updated sa aming adventures here in Australia. Thanks for watching! Bye! Say bye! Bye-bye! Say goodbye! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you really wanna show you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.